Malieta neno Okero mo speaker we bunge ya Nyamira tora ase headquarters Masaba offices ketuacha o colleague ndo ekoro ku vetting gose gochungusa gose koligereria Malieta ali twatomera gocha ye kamati eliye gochikolika abantu bawo chigokora ase county public service board eliye tenenete okolika abantu ase county yaitu kuna tumanyete bali baro egepindi kiabo kia miaka 5 nomo nkoera kere usegia kitigaleti asinini kere naenda karoge gochikoera ekamati nere gocho oyomo otenenete aba wakiri oyomo otenenete private sector eitomu na biashara abalemi tubugata oyomo gotenenera abasae tubugata oyomo gotenenera abangina no oyomo gotenenera chi accountant abantu abo batano bonsi bakira lero ase bali bachorwa oyomo twabaligereire ekamati ekoro kunga appointments committee eyire libaga ne bunge yaitu boligereria erosi report emakonyira ase ebunge yonsi yaba MCA baitu bachikoligereria report eyo banyetie gose banyiyeria ekamati yekara ya etibwe Malieta yako ba forward gochia somo governor ekamati yego kolega asi ensinini kolika bali bawo chikokora egasi ase county public service board eyekoro kunga the selection panel nere goyoto selecteli abantu bali bawo chikokora egasi bono ase county public service board watano na wote ambao waliwekwa kwa gazeti walifika hapa mapema na tumemalizana na wao.
County Assembly under the leadership of Speaker ya tegereire abantu bari bachore bagochikora bagosoye service board igore ndi assembly basako beti moto yaba n'inchi bari banyamira barataka kore gasera Nyamira County Public Service Board banyakobeka masakara abo tayari kiwaje what for this position because the board will be there before June 30th. The board gato wate Nyamira County Public Service Board and the chairman no Ske Dr. Kereri no CEO Annie Mwasi. Their term is coming to end June 30th. Go nge assembly tweru rekomyokiga sito tokora bana inchi baito banyamire gasie belwango ngabono chinyakitari cheto chinasikia aliku ba abange bachire ngubundu wa the shortage almost over 60 totaito chinasiriku abari mumbare bare goli kuba ba ECD ebindore ne binge bitakere service chikoru but now because the board ndebe na kitokwa era kishirange assembly so ande tuanje tokora bana inchi gasti batesa kamono na kito tokora gasie ngakie bengia board service yazo
MCA ward ya Bokeira ase panel yegana renge member koligeringa the selection panel for the county public service board members ababwente kolikwa very soon yabe kirwa sagia igoto akorega ase itubune committee ya appointments so that the county can move forward twegente kana tobegetenga nabana inchi ba itubanyamira banyora services ase nchire ndonge na indego to accord to ganitinga other processes can follow as per the constitution.
For aseri tukulia rero banyarira gokora atinyaba bali bago chotokora legasi yoko chora bali bacho serve in the county public service board, and as our speaker has said abantu baba well distributed across the board. We had professionals, we had business people represented, we had women represented, we had the youth represented, and we are certain that we have done our best in giving the people of the county of Nyamira without partiality. Actually, even some of them have been serving in other serious boards in selecting very crucial key holders in our country. So we can assure you now very qualified as our because even one of them was in the panel here, the Auditor General in this country of Kenya. Again, and we're giving you the best.
Masaba not. Tuacha gofet members balia committee members bali bawo to bachora members we board bodi elie kulika abantu ase county yetu ya Nyamira. Orogerio bairumia tumepata representation from all regions of our county na tumepata watu wako highly qualified professionals wazuri.
Asanteni kwa nafasi. Kwa majina naitwa Okero Enoch, ambaye ni speaker wa bunge letu la Nyamira. Leo tumekusanyika hapa, tulikuwa na mkutano ama kikao cha kupiga msasha wale watu ambao watakuwa wanachagua ile kamati ya County Public Service Board. Majina yalitumwa kwetu na gavana, na kama sheria ilivyo lazima tuangalie wale watu ambao wamekuwa nominated, ambao wataenda ku advertise positions za board members wa executive. Vile vile tuangalie tuone kama ile position wamechaguliwa nayo kama wametoshea na ile qualifications zao. So hiyo ndio tumefanya hapa leo, na hii kamati inaitwa Appointments Committee ya bunge letu la Nyamira, na hii ndio imekuwa ikifanya hiyo maneno. Ni mmoja wetu ambaye alikuwa amebadilishwa sababu ya mabadiliko ya ile kiti ya leader of minority ambaye alikuwa kae na sisi. Tumekuwa na leader of majority hapa na leader of minority ambaye ni Mheshimiwa Martha Maro na Mheshimiwa Nyambega Gisesa, ambao wanahitajika kuwa katika hiyo kamati. So hii ni kamati kwa halali na imefanya hiyo kikao. Tumemaliza mambo ya kuangalia ama kuwatadizi, na kwenda mbele tutaenda kuandika ripoti ambayo tutawakilisha kwa bunge ili ikaweze kupitishwa ama kuangushwa.
Kama jumbe ya assembly ya Nyamira nitaenda tabia wananchi wao kwa Nyamira ngadi koria ya county assembly and the leadership of speaker ya tegereire abantu bari bachore bagochora bagosoye service board. Igore ndi assembly basako beti mutayo wananchi bari banyamira barataka kore gasera Nyamira Public Service Board banya kubeka masakara abo tayari kiwaje what for this position, because the board will be there before June 30th. The board got to Nyamira Public Service Board, and no chairman, no Muske Dr. Kereri, no CEO Annie Mwasi. Their term is coming to end June 30th. Go nge assembly tueru rekomyokiga sita toko raba na inchi baito banyamire gasiebe bwango ngabono chinya kitari cheto chinasikia aliku ba abange bachire ngumbu wa the shortage almost over 60 tutete chinasiriku abari mumbare bare goli kuba ICD ibindore ne binge bitakere service chikoru, but now because the board ndebe na kitokwa era kishanga assembly so ndi tuanje toko raba na inchi gasti batesa kamono na kitoko ri gasiye ngakiye bengia board service yazo kusabu